grab one that has some trades in it. Some trades in it. Let's put in address. Sample address equals that. Pass in these sample address, sample address, sample address. All right, we got triple sample address. Let's run it. So if you don't need it to be profitable, you should want it to be profitable, or else you're going to be spending money on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would rather pay for one that's profitable, right? Then you know you're not going to lose money. Do you need it to be break even? Usually the way it works is you pay market makers a fee. Like, I don't know, 0.1% of the volume. So that's usually how you can deploy a market maker. Like, nobody's going to give the market maker code up. But if you need a market maker, come to a agreement with a market maker and then pay let's say a 0.1% fee on volume that is created. So, I mean, that's at least how I work. When people ask for me to market make, I just charge a 0.1% fee to market make. And yeah, it's just nobody's going to really give up their market making code. I have shown how to build some market makers here on my channel because I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy. Let's go ahead here and see we got some great ideas in here. You guys are beasts, man. So Key says, can you filter addresses that have bought and sold, i.e. are the team creating and increasing price? Probably can do that. I'll put that on the list. So many good ideas from you guys. You can check liquidity history also. People swap, but also people add liquidity on most good coins. That's a really good point, Jerk. Thank you. You guys are fire. I know that we can do that too. It said we can look at the liquidity. Like, when are people adding, when are people removing it? Keith says, also compare buying addresses across multiple coins. Try and spot sniping bots accounts to narrow down what they are buying. Yes, that's a good idea. Let's go ahead and put that on the list here. This is amazing. Make sure you guys get all of this code. Big Matter says, so you are like contracting market maker bots. Yeah, that's usually how you do it. Is you just, like, market makers will have algorithms that they rely on to work, and then exchanges will hire us to run our bots on their platform, or sometimes tokens will ask that as well. But yeah, there's always a market making fee for sure. For shizzle, instead of trying to run it yourself, you know? I mean, I'm sure you can build it. Absolutely. Okay, so this is the data that we get, and I don't see anything about, what does this slot mean? What's the slot? Is that epoch time? It doesn't look like epoch time. No, I don't think it is. September 11th, 1977. Owner. So this is the owner of that contract. So let's go ahead and say Soul Skin. This is the owner of that contract. Keith, this might be a way to get like to see if they've been deploying a lot of contracts or not. I'm sure most like rug pullers are gonna be ahead of this though, right? They're not gonna use the same address. Token address, transaction hash. So let's say token creation info because this is gonna be very, very useful in the past. You freaking backwards speaking mother. This is crazy. I speak backwards sometimes. So I'm sorry about that. Output.